Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today the Teletubbies are visiting the water park and they're going down the water slide. Dipsy notices the little pink octopus. It says red and it's sleeping. Dipsy must wait for the green signal before it's safe to go down the water slide. It's green and the octopus woke up. It's time to go. And look who just arrived at the water park. It's Kitty. The Teletubbies watch the little girl on the red bucket ride. We push the yellow button and water squirts into the red bucket until it gets so full it pushes her up, up, down, just like a seesaw. Po observes from the back and she notices a little hole at the bottom of the bucket. The bucket fills up and when it goes down, the water empties out. And Kitty's back. She's curious about the water, but cats don't like to get wet, so you better not get too close, Kitty. Po notices a yellow ladder on her left-hand side. She decides to climb up it, using both hands. Always want to climb a ladder with both hands and feet so you don't fall off. At the top, she sees the pink octopus and a yellow bridge. Let's go across. Doo-doo-doo. Uh-oh, I think Kitty's in play mode. She's giving Po that look. Oh, good, she was gentle with you this time, Po. The other three Teletubbies are down below and going to have a rinse under the shower. The rest of the Teletubbies want to look for Po, so they go climb up the big red net, using both hands and both feet, just like the yellow ladder. Oh, Po! Tinky Winky gives Po a hug. Ayo! Lala can hear Tinky Winky and Po, but she's unsure about the ladder. She's a little scared to climb that high. Let's count how many steps there are to the ladder, Lala, and then you can decide if you want to go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. Lala's going to give it a try. Let's count as she climbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! Lala made it up safely. Now it's Dipsy's turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They see Tinky Winky and Po on the other side of the bridge. Ayo! Lala makes it all the way over, but there's no room for Dipsy. Oh, poor Dipsy goes back to the other landing. Lala sees Dipsy all by himself and comes over to join him. They all go down the water slide together. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye! Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with our Teletubbies. Oh, and speaking of Teletubbies, there is Lala, the kitten. And she's already playing with our little roller. Since Valentine's Day is coming, and that's a time where we let others know how much they mean to us. And we're going to do a little pink Play-Doh heart with this little cookie cutter. We have our bubblegum scented dough. And uh-oh. Uh-oh, it sounds like Lala's gotten into a little bit of trouble. I can't see her, but definitely heard something crash. Oh, look at the pink color of this dough. It's so bright, and it matches the color of our cookie cutter. So I'm going to make it a ball. Oh, and Lala has come back. She is playing with the little tree, which went missing for a while. We have our little bush back there. Oh, and it smells like bubblegum, but I can't. It's not to chew. It's just to play with. And we can make a ball by rolling the dough in the palms of our hands, just like that. And now we have our ball. Do you want to smell the ball, Lala? It smells like bubble gum. And we take our little roller and roll it out. It's kind of sticky. Oh. We can turn it around like that. And the heart isn't very big, so I think this is going to work. We're going to push down, and then you remove the outer dough and gently push our heart through. It's coming, tiny fans. And there is our heart shape. Now let's decorate it. And Lala has a yellow ice cream cone to push in. Push it in, Lala. Good job. Lollipop. Push that in, Tinky Winky. There we go. Let's see what Dipsy has. Dipsy has a green candy. And Poe has a rainbow lollipop. Oh, how fun! Our heart is nicely decorated. These are such fun little accessories. Now for the fun part. The Teletubbies, they like to stomp on the dough. Go ahead, Dipsy. Stomp, 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 stomp. Okay, it's Poe's turn. Stomp, stomp. Everyone gets a turn. Oh, the heart is getting flatter. And you can see the footprints in the dough. And last but not least, Tinky Winky. Tinky Winky. Oh, the Teletubbies' feet actually created a cute little design on our heart. All right, time to put it away so it doesn't dry out. Squish, squish, squish. And thanks for playing with us today. Goodbye. The Teletubbies are going to ride the Ferris wheel. But you have to wait your turn, Teletubbies. Let's get a ticket. The Teletubbies line up at the ticket booth. Okay, Teletubbies. Now we have to wait for the others to get off, and then it's your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4 spots on the Ferris wheel. But these Teletubbies won't fit. We need to get our other Teletubbies, don't we, Lala? Red for Poe. Uh-oh, Poe fell. Let's try again. Very carefully. Blue for Tinky Winky. Oh, Tinky Winky, don't fall off. Yellow for Lala. Green for Dipsy. Time to start. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Goodbye. Heyo, it's the Teletubbies. And we have a Teletubby playmat that we're going to unroll. But every time I put it down, it just rolls back up again. Uh-oh! What do we do, Teletubbies? They have an idea. They're going to use the collection of stones and crystals on each corner of the playmat. The heavy weights will keep the mat flat. Let's give it a try. Well, it looks like we need a heavier rock. Oh no! I don't think the heart and the flat green stone are heavy enough. Let me go get a heavier stone. The Teletubbies have found some beautiful rocks in the garden, and they are much heavier. Look at this one. It actually has some green and... Oops! Oh my! I'm a little clumsy today. Sorry, Dipsy. This rock is beautiful. Where did you find this, Teletubbies? There, the rocks were heavy enough, and now our playmat is flat. And here is Nunu, and it's going to follow the little road. First, it's the Tubby toaster and some Tubby custard. And there is Nunu and the Tubby custard machine. There are some musical instruments. What do you see? A drum and a piano and a trumpet. Let's keep going, Nunu. Look, it's Poe's scooter. What color is it? Uh-oh, the big rock is in the way. Nunu, can you push it? Nunu is strong. Almost there. And all the way to the Tubbytronic Superdome. Maybe that's where the Teletubbies went. Here we are. Let's open it up and see if they're inside, Nunu. Unzip. And they're all having a nap. Time to wake up, Teletubbies. Time to get outside time and have a snack. The Teletubbies have their own seat at the table. Poe has the red spot. Dipsy sits on the green spot. Tinky Winky has a satiny purple spot. And Lala loves yellow and polka dots, so this is her spot. And thank you for coming today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.